YouTube channels like Baby Century, Little Baby Bomb, and Super Simple Songs are getting millions of views from simple bedtime songs, and they also make millions of dollars in revenue. The best part is that you can create this kind of content using AI, and I will show you exactly how
Hello,
I created
stars
this
way
children
up
bedtime
so
song, and you
high.
can do it too. Well, if you do not know
Hello.
me, my name is Oluwatoyin. On this channel, we talk about anything AI, how to use AI tools to create AI videos for your channel. And I also teach on how you can monetize your faceless channel. And if that sounds like something you are interested in, make sure you stick around by subscribing, liking, and share this video to someone you know is interested in this kind of content. And with that being said, let's go straight to the video. Now, for us to start this video, we'll divide this video into 4 parts. I mean, the tutorial will be divided into 4 parts, and these parts are simple steps you will follow for you to get this end result. Now, the first part is creating your lyrics. Yes, of course, there is no way you create a song without creating your lyrics. And because we are dealing with children's songs, children bedtime songs, we are going to be imputing some things. For me, I'm going to be including the sun, the moon, the stars, rainbow, things like that, things that make children fascinated about the song and about the video. There are 2 ways to get your lyrics. It's either you create your lyrics yourself, or you use AI to generate your lyrics. Now, for you to use AI too, we are going to be using ChatGPT to generate our lyrics. Now, go over to ChatGPT and input a prompt. If you want this prompt, let me know in the comment section and I will paste it to you. Now, this prompt, I'm going to be including it and it will generate a lyrics for me. Now, to generate the lyrics, you go over to ChatGPT and you input this particular prompt. Now, when you send it, it will generate a lyrics for you. Using this prompt, this is the lyrics that was generated. Now, after getting the lyrics, the next thing is for us to get our videos. Now, there where you created your lyrics, you just input this other prompt again. Right there where you created your lyrics, you paste this second prompt to generate your video prompt. Now, this is the video prompt that we are going to be using to create our videos. Now, one thing you should know when generating the lyrics, if you want to change the time, I put in 30 seconds because I know I want just 30 seconds for just an example. If you want it as 2 minutes, 3 minutes, put the amount of time you want your lyrics to be. Now, I put 30 seconds because I want to work with 30 seconds. Now, when you get this video prompt, we are going to be inputting it into a video generator. And for this, we'll be making use of Meta AI. Now, when you get into Meta AI, tap on this plus button and tap on create. Change it from image to video and put in the prompt you just copied. We are going to paste it and send and wait for it to load. Now, when we generate our video, we download it and we go to the next step. Now, after getting the lyrics and getting the video, the next thing is for us to get our song. With this, we are going to be using Google Gemini. You can use it on the website or you can use it by downloading the app from your app store or from your Play Store. Now, go over to download the app and yes, of course, you join, you log in, you sign up and you join. As you can see, this is what Gemini created for us. Now, I want you to know that Gemini creates songs in 30 seconds. So if you want to create a music in 3 minutes, I want to create a 3 minutes worth of music, you are going to be creating like 4 or 5 times to get 3 minutes because Gemini creates songs in just 30 seconds. Now, this is the music it's created for us.
Close your eyes, the moon is bright. Stars are shining in the night. Drift to dreams, you're safe and tight. Sleep now, sleep so deep. Dream sweet dreams as angels keep. Sleep now, sleep so deep. Dream sweet dreams as angels keep.
Now I'm going to recreate this and say create the song in a calm mood for calm mood allowing kids to sleep. Then I'll just say the purpose of the song is to keep is to make kids sleep or keep them asleep. with a calm tone. So I'm going to create it again. And this is the result we got.
Close your eyes, the moon is bright. Stars are shining in the night. Drift to dreams, you're safe and tight. Sleep now, sleep so deep. Dream sweet dreams as angels keep. Sleep now, sleep so deep. Dream sweet dreams as angels keep.
The last but not the least step, which is the fourth step, is to join the video and the audio together. So go over to CapCut. Now go to new video. We are going to be creating a new video and input all the videos you've created. These are the 3 videos I created. Now we have these videos. These are the videos. Now next thing we are going to do is to input our sound. Now go over to audio, then sound. Then I'll tap on file and tap on device. Select from device, and I'm just going to tap on this because this is the sound.
Close your eyes, the moon is bright. Stars are shining in the night. Drift to dreams, you're safe and tight.
Now if you scroll, you will see that the audio is longer than the video. Now what are we going to do is to reduce the speed of the video to make it correlate with the audio. Now I'm going to reduce the speed. Tap on speed, tap on normal, and I'm going to reduce it to around 0.5 to make it longer. Go to the next one, reduce it to 0.5. Go to the last one, reduce it to 0.5. I'm going to see if it correlates with the audio. Yes, of course, it correlates with the audio. Now, what I'm going to make sure to do again is to put in transitions. Now, if you look at this middle side, I tap on it, I tap on a transition, I look through a transition I feel I am going to use, and I'll just do this, and after I choose it, I tap on add to all, and this transition will show on all the parts that need to be transited. And something else I want to do is to add keyframe. Now I tap on the video I want to add keyframe to, I tap on my keyframe, I tap on where I want to increase this video to, then I will just expand it like this. And yeah, let's see the final result. If you like what you just did, you export it. And now let's see our final results. This is
Close your eyes, the moon is bright. Stars are shining in the night. Drift to dreams, you're safe and tight. Sleep now, sleep so deep. Dream sweet dreams as angels keep. Sleep now, sleep so deep. Dream sweet dreams as angels keep.
Now you can use this for your channel, you can create a channel and post this, or you can use this for your kids at home. This is the easiest way to create a children bedtime song, which we know as lullaby, for free using free AI tools. We paid for nothing. We use free AI tools to create this. Look how beautiful it is. If you like what we just did now, if you like this beautiful video we just achieved and you know you are going to achieve it, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, yes, and of course share to someone you know will be interested in this video. We'll see again in the next video. Till then, keep creating and keep producing. Bye guys.